So if you want to set up rotating wallpapers on your Samsung phone, there's two ways to do it. You can either have your own photos rotate or have wallpapers from Samsung's curated lists rotate. To set this up, go to your home screen, then press and hold any empty space. You'll see this menu open up and we're going to tap Wallpaper and Style, then tap Change Wallpapers. Now, if you want to use your own photos to rotate, go to Gallery. From there, you can pick up to 15 photos. I'll go ahead and find something I want to use as a wallpaper, and I'll just pick a couple of these here. Once you've picked your photos, tap Done, and it'll give you a little preview of how those photos will look as your lock screen wallpapers. Down here, you can see I have 5 items selected, so I can preview each of my wallpapers, then just tap Done when you're finished. One thing to note is that this only changes them on the lock screen though. So for the home screen, you're unfortunately limited to a single wallpaper. Now, if you want rotating wallpapers from Samsung's curated list, it's the same process. Press and hold on the home screen, go to Wallpaper and Style, then Change Wallpapers. Except this time, we're going to scroll down to Wallpaper Services. Then we'll choose the Dynamic Lock Screen option, and you can tap the little gear icon next to it to select your wallpapers. Here, you can pick up to 5 different categories. The way this works is it'll show you a different image each time you turn on your screen. Samsung updates this curated list with new images every 2 weeks, and like I said, you can choose up to 5 categories. At the bottom, there's also an auto update toggle, so as new wallpapers become available, they'll automatically be added if you have auto update enabled. I'm usually kinda against any type of pre-curated lists or wallpapers since those tend to be boring or poor quality, but I'll admit, this curated list Samsung offers is full of stunning photos. Whether it's cute animals, cool landscapes, or just extremely colorful and sharp food photography, they all look amazing. Now each time I turn on the screen, I get a different wallpaper. Kinda nice, huh? Unfortunately, rotating wallpapers only work on the lock screen, so for your home screen, you're kind of stuck with one wallpaper. Anyways, that's how you set up rotating wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.